In this video, we will see how we can add grid and coordinates in QGIS. First, let's import a shapefile. Let's turn on the labels and do some symbology. Now let's create the layout. New print layout. Layout 1. Okay. Let's see the page properties. It's in A4 size, landscape mode. Now let's add our map element. Now we will add the grid and coordinate to the map. For that, you need to select the element first from the view or from the item menu here, and then scroll down, expand the grids, click on plus. You can see that there is a grid named grid 1. You can rename this as well. Just double click and rename. Now click on modify. Here is the options for grid. In the grid tab, you can find 4 options: solid, cross, markers, and frame and annotations only. Let's go for solid. And CRS, you can use map CRS or project CRS or any other CRS, what you want. Let's go for 4326, EPZ 4326, WGS 84. This coordinate system is necessary to display the degree, minute, second. And in the interval, you will find some options. Let's go for map units. Now we need to provide the longitude and latitude values in degree. Let's try 1 first. And the latitude also 1. In the map, you can see that after 1 degree, we get a grid line, both for latitude and for longitude. Now we also can check the other grid types. If we select the cross, we can see the cross points in the map. Let's click on the cross. Here are the crossed grid line. And if we select the markers, we can see the markers. And if we select frame and annotations only, the line will not be visible inside. If we select the frame and annotations only, we need to select the frame from here so that we can easily see the things here. Let's go for interior ticks. The tick marks is shown on every degree where the line should be appeared if we select the solid lines. Instead of solid lines, here are interior ticks are shown. You can change the properties, colors, offset, and other things from here. If we remove the left side ticks will be removed. If we check out the right side will be removed. So let's go for all sides. Now let's go to the most important part, that is draw coordinates. Click on draw coordinates. The coordinates is shown on the map, but you can see that the coordinates are out of our boundary because our map frame is narrow. Let's make it little smaller so that it will make some room for the coordinates. You can see that we do not have any frame for our map element. Let's add a frame for the map. Click on this and scroll down. Click on the frame. Now we get a frame for our map element and it looks nice. Now click again and go to the grids, my grid, modify grid. Now if we want our labels to be inside the map, inside the frame, we can select uh, inside frame from here. For left one inside frame, the left labels are inside the frame, and right side inside frame, and you can do that also for top and bottom. Now every labels are inside the frame. The coordinates is shown with 3 decimal places. If we do not need that, we can remove the digits after point using minimizing the coordinate precision. Let's make it 0. And now we only have the grids, degrees without decimal. We can also show these tick marks outside the frame using exterior ticks. Now the labels are inside and tick marks are outside. We have some other options. Let's go for zebra. We can see that our frame has been transformed into zebra shape. Zebra nautical. Interior, exterior, both side ticks. Line border without any ticks. Line border nautical. Now we have shown these coordinates in every degrees. If we want to show every 30 minutes, we need to change this x and y value. To show grids in every 30 minutes, we need to make the x value 0.5 and y value also 0.5. Since we have minimized our coordinate precision, so every point is shown twice. We can fix that using the coordinate precision. Let's make it visit. Now we can see that one is 54 and another one is 54.5. Also, let's turn on the tick marks. Here the coordinates are shown in decimal degrees. We want to show it in degree, minute and second. For that, let's go to the draw coordinates and format. You need to select degree, minute and second. Since we do not have any second values, so everything is 0.00. So let's make it degree and minute. We have only 0 degree and 0 minute and 30 minute. So we do not need any coordinate precision for the minute. 0.00, after the point there are 2 digits. We do not need any decimal places after coding minute coordinate. So let's make it 0 again. Now it looks nice. You can change the font and other things from here. Change font. You can change colors. Any formatting and other things can be done from here. For our map, making grids for 30 minutes is quite closer. 1 degree is pretty much enough for this map. If we go for a smaller region like this, then 30 minutes looks okay. But for this, it looks clumsy. Now we can check the cross and markers and the solid option. If you select solid cross or markers, try to place your coordinates outside of the frame. Let's do it. Make it little short. And place the coordinates outside the frame. And also let's show the coordinate grid points 1 degree apart, so it looks quite neat and clean. Now we can also check the cross. It looks nice. And also markers. If you select the markers, you can change the markers from here. Any point symbology can be used. You can change the formatting, colors and other things to make it more clean and accurate. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.